Well, Poso Meep, good morning. I'm Frank Kutka at College of Menominee Nation. Last week we were threshing out our beans, and today I'm going to quickly winnow some. Now we've got some here in the bucket. They're still in the dirt. They've been separated from the big plant parts, but there's a lot of dust and other nonsense in here. So without a good wind, we're going to make some wind of our own and separate these. So look out, it's kind of exciting. I'm going to turn on the fan. Now I'm going to pour the beans through the airstream, and hopefully most of the dirt will go away from the beans. So here we go. So you notice that the beans being heavier than a lot of the dust, they're falling through and going into the bushel basket there, and most of the junk is blowing out the other way. It's not perfect. We'll have to do it 3 or 4 more times. But it's an ancient process and it still works, and it's how modern machinery does it as well. Combines have their own machine to make wind. You can see way more beans and a lot less of this. So I will pour all this into here again and do it a few more times. It's great. It's nice when it starts sounding like beans pouring and not just dirt. Oh, still a lot of dirt in there. Jeez Louise. And then we'll have to hand pick. Some of the beans, of course, are shriveled and some of them are rotten. It's just how it is sometimes with beans. But once you get them all nice and cleaned up, they'll be ready to eat. Just gets better and better. Oh, there's some big ones. Little hand picking, boy. It's gonna finish it up for us.